Hey guys, today we're going to be taking a look at the FIFA 32-inch portable TV. So the pixel density is not the best. It could be a little bit better, but it is powered by Android. So this is where it starts getting really cool. You get to see all of these features and stuff with the remote. And I was not expecting. I was just kind of expecting a touchscreen TV, but no, it has a full Android ecosystem on it. No different than like a phone. You can see it automatically detects the rotation there. It switched over to horizontal. Now I'm using the mouse right there to kind of move my cursor around. There is a button on the remote to turn this feature off and on, and if you want, you can just use the touchscreen or you can use the arrows on the remote. But here's the home screen. So you've got a big Google search bar and some applications across the bottom and the top. You've got Google Chrome, you've got YouTube, you've got the Play Store where you can download things like Netflix or Amazon Prime. You've got your settings, and you can basically customize it however you want. So first things first, I was going to go into YouTube here to actually test what this looked like. But the issue is I wasn't connected to the internet. So that was very simple to do. You just go to the settings and connect to the internet, no different than you would do on your phone. And you can see if you hit that middle button in the bottom, that's what's going to take you back to the home screen. And I was able to go into settings here and set up my Wi-Fi without issue. All right, so now that the Wi-Fi is set up, let's go back into YouTube and we can start watching kind of some of these videos here just to see what the quality looks like. The mic wasn't working, so you're not going to be able to hear the sound, but the speaker quality is pretty dang good. I was impressed by that. And this is basically just going to be just like a phone. So I ended up having to turn the speakers down because they were so loud. But so you're going to have ads on this like normal. You can either skip them with the cursor or you can use the touchscreen and hit the X's and stuff like that. Let's put on a quick little gaming video here so you guys can kind of see what the quality looks like. Overall, I was pretty impressed with it. So the colors are really good. I really like the all white look of it. It makes it look more modern and clean. It is touchscreen, like I mentioned, so you can easily kind of swipe out of there if you want to. Close it. It kind of pins it down into the bottom, and you can either close it from there. So here, I just wanted to go through, see kind of what other stuff is in here. You can see it's got YouTube Music, all the default Google stuff like Maps, Google Drive, all of that stuff. You've got your Google Calendar. And for the remote, you can see the Netflix button wasn't working, but that's because I haven't installed Netflix on the Play Store. So you will need to go in and install those apps you want, but that process is super easy. The app itself was nice. It does have a voice remote, I'm pretty sure. I didn't test that, but I believe that's one of those buttons. And from the Play Store here is where you can download all your stuff. So overall, guys, this is a really cool and unique rotatable, movable, portable TV. You can use it on a treadmill. You can wheel it outside. You can do all kinds of stuff with it. I will have links for it down below if you're interested, and be sure to check it out. I'll see you guys next time, and thanks for watching.